Experience perfection through our precise and impeccable framing services for your cherished moments. K&T Custom Home Builders, your ultimate destination for exceptional craftsmanship and personalized home solutions. We specialize in creating tailored framing solutions that excel in craftsmanship and uniqueness. Our mastery ensures that what we create are not just structures, but truly exceptional works of art. Reach out to us today and embark on a journey to explore your project's possibilities. Transform your framing aspirations into stunning reality with us by your side. Contact us for free estimate.